Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you where to go to format a SD card on your Steam Deck so you can use it. So if you look down below, you can add a SD card right here at the bottom. And you can add just a microSD card. I bought 1 terabyte and it works quite well. So to do this, you want to go on down to Settings and then locate Storage. Now when you add an SD card, you can see the internal drive right here, and then here's my SD card over here. To use this drive with Steam Deck, it first needs to be formatted. So press Y on your controller, and you should be able to format it, and then you can transfer games or decide to go ahead and download games onto this specific drive. So you'll have to transfer them back and forth, and then decide when you download a game which drive to put it on. Now currently I'm using my microSD card. This has Windows 11 loaded up on it, so I'm not going to format it with Steam because I like having Windows 11 on it, and then I just dual boot off of that. And then I can play Call of Duty Warzone or Call of Duty Black Ops or whatever Call of Duty that's coming up. And then I am good to go. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.